What is up, guys? We are back with another video reaction. Today we have to react to Upchurch because he just dropped like 3 days ago. I'm sorry to be a bit late, but he dropped Heavier Rain. And of course, we have to see what's this all about. And without further ado, intro.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Now let's get it. The rain is heavier. I mean, it's heavy, but the song is even heavier, if that makes any sense. Like this track takes me to think about a war or something, like a big fight, you know. And this is a song from a warrior, a fighter perspective. So this is not.
Every time thunder struck, it was hella loud, pounding in the back of my ear. Pictures burn in my brain, still make my spine shiver, of the dead livestock and old work trucks floating to the mouth of the river.
Whew. This is not a hip hop song, obviously, but about the shivers down the spine, I think I'm gonna have that, because this is like I said, like a warrior is writing a letter to his family back home. He has that sadness in it, is that uncertainty that he's coming back home.
Old folks on the roof, praying to God can get baptized in the dark river. So when you threaten me, it's exciting to see how you think you scared me, mister. So if the record labels try to drown me out, you'll see crazy eyes and a crooked smile sitting on my mouth.
So we all know that he's self-made, kind of. He doesn't belong to any label. He's solo artist, and he made his career and his money by himself with no label. And what he says is, if you try to sign me to drain me out of money, like we all know that's what labels do, you'll see like not like a poker face, but you'll see a smile on one corner of my mouth, and you know, you won't like my response. I won't just sit back and let you take my money. I will respond. I will fight back.
And I ain't made of sugar, I carry no shame, 'cause I've seen heavier rain.
Ooh, you're nothing to me. I've seen worse than you. You can't even touch me.
Yeah, I'm rebel tough, still carry no shame, 'cause I've seen heavier rain. Heavier rain. I've seen heavier rain.
Mate, that guitar, I just love it. On top of that is, like I said, this feels like a, shut up. I'm sorry for this. It's just, who loves cars know what I'm talking about. Let's get back to it. This feels like, what do you call it? A shout for, like, from the leader of the army towards the army when they must fight, when they have to go to war. This is what it seems to me, and I love that. Just like that song from General Backshot, the original song of Tokyo Drift's theme song. I love the original song from them. I love this just as much.
Some chase the standard, famous and pampered, for the self make no decision. Some like the danger, back road cocaine, and 6-speed Chevy transmissions.
Speaking of cars,
Tell mainstream I said, come get some. You won't even know you're bigger. 'Cause this country boy ain't a labels play toy. I come from the mouth of the river. So if the record labels try to drown me out, you'll see crazy eyes and a crooked smile sitting on my mouth. And I ain't made of sugar, I carry no shame, 'cause I've seen heavier rain.
thinking about listening to this song in your headphones or earphones, better, sitting on a porch or something like that and drinking, I don't know, alcohol. It's just, they fit together. And I'm saying this from a positive side. I love it that much.
Yeah, I'm rebel tough, still carry no shame, 'cause I've seen heavier rain.
Yep.
Heavier rain. I've seen heavier rain.
I don't know, man. It just goes deep down. Reveals the most hidden.
Swims, and I've been on a limb as people's life gets swept from their fences. And Paul died, the boy seen his first grandson saddle up country music and tame it. So if the record label try to drown me out, you'll see crazy eyes and a crooked smile sitting on my mouth. And I ain't made of sugar, I carry no shame, 'cause I've seen heavier rain. Yeah, I'm rebel tough, still carry no shame, 'cause I've seen heavier rain. Heavier rain. I've seen
on top of what I just said, like drinking, sitting on the porch, think about even raining, like a heavy rain with big drops like this, and you just sit on the porch sipping your alcohol and watching through the rain, especially if you have like a forest in front of you. It's just epic. That image is in my mind right now. This song reaches deep down, so deep that takes out, like, reveals the most hidden thoughts, most hidden, what would I say, thoughts, fears, feelings, even. It just pulls them out, especially if you're a man. If you're a man, you know exactly what I'm saying. And if you don't feel the same way I just described this song, probably you're at work, you're driving, or whatever you're doing right now while you listen to the song or me reacting to it. But I promise you, when the night comes, just go outside of your house, flat, whatever you have. Go outside and be alone just for a couple of minutes. And listen to this song in your earphones. And tell me I'm wrong. I dare you do that. I dare you telling me I'm wrong. I cannot be wrong with this.
Yeah, I've seen heavier rain.
Oh. Well, all good things come to an end. But I guess that's the best way to be, because if it's too much, you'll get tired of it. If it's not enough, you'll want more and more and more, just like my videos. Yes, that was it, people. One for the soul from Mr. Upchurch, Ryan himself, with the song Heavier Rain. Oh, it's 5 minutes long. I didn't even realize that. Wow. I guess this would be a longer reaction than what I'm doing usually. But nonetheless, I enjoyed this song so much. The only regret I have is that I haven't reacted to it earlier. Anyway, it's here now. Please listen to it. It's great. I have no other words to describe it. It's just great. If you did enjoy my reaction to the video, to the song, if you did like my channel and my reactions, please don't forget to leave a like on the videos. Maybe you subscribe to the channel, and that's how we'll see into my next one. Bye.
Go, 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 go.